Peace, family, peace, peace, peace. I hope you guys are having such an amazing day. Today we are at Burlington Coat Factory. Let's see what they have inside. Good. Huh? Yeah, well, I was following the little kid. Ooh, so first up, Burlington, they have these really cute Calvin Klein shirts. Okay, I like this. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like this. Now, this shirt is $19.99. So Burlington, they also have these tracksuit like, okay, or jogging suits, sweatsuits, okay. Two-piece, this is $19.99. This is not bad at all. And they come in pink and white and also blue and white. Okay, so Burlington, they have these gorgeous rugs. I like these, like the plush rugs, the shaggy rugs. This rug is $100. It is 7 by 10. Really, really cute. Absolutely like this. Now, these decorative pillows, honey, this is my lane, okay? I like these. This green is absolutely beautiful. Now, where's the price tag? Okay, so these pillows are $25. Let me know in the comment section if you guys like these. And how about these blue ones, child? Okay, these are $25. These, how much are those, Jada? Oh, these are $23.99. These are absolutely gorgeous. And what I really like about these is, ooh, child, this feels so good. This my oldest son's so upset. He want to leave. I keep telling him I gotta record. These pillows feel so, oh my goodness. It feels so good. Luxurious. Okay, and this is $23 for two. Wow. We also have these pillows right here. Oh my goodness, this looks so good. So you guys know I'm like a gold fanatic. Okay, these are so cute. Now, let's see how much this is. Child, I almost pee-peed. This is $11. This is so good. Look at this. Oh, this is fancy pantsy. $11. Not bad at all. They also have these pillows right here. Okay, 2-pack for... These are $20. Really, really good. Okay, so Burlington have this. This is really cute. This is wall decor, metal and wood. Oh, I like this so much. Really cute. They also have this metal geometric wall mirror. Really cute. Let's see how much this is. Okay, so this mirror is $40. This is not bad at all. This is so cute. Let me know which piece you guys like best. The first item I showed you, the wood and metal decor, or do you guys like this mirror better? Okay, so they also have this gold mirror right here, which is $40 as well. This is cute. Okay, so Burlington also have this rug. This rug is absolutely gorgeous. This is $50. Comparable value $145. And this is pretty much like they rugs area. And this is all the rugs that they have over here. This pink I like. Is different. This shaggy, really cute. They also have this Dior. Oh, this Dior. Oh shoot, honey, it's not Dior. This is BB. They have this BB painting for $30. Comparable value is for $60. This is cute. Now, child, this art is really cute. Let me know in the comments how you feel about this artwork right here. These are $24.99. This is absolutely beautiful. So this Halloween decor is really, really cute. I like these. This gold piece is really, really cute. This is $9, the value. It normally goes for $18. This is cute. Now, I don't really know what this is supposed to be, but this is really, really nice. Then they also have this elephant piece right here, which is $7. I like this. This is cute. Is this an elephant? It looked like one. This is pretty much Burlington Halloween decor. This is really cute. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Honey, when I tell you this is the biggest eco style gel I have ever seen in my entire life. Okay, this is $10. Damn, it is so huge. Wow. Okay, family, so this line at Burlington is huge. Okay, excuse me if I could just see. Honey, it's so long. So even if I was going to get something, honey, it don't even make sense to stand on the line because that line is huge. Okay, so make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe. Let me know in the comment section what was your favorite item that you seen in there. Mine was that gold piece that looked like the elephant. That was only, what, $6? Really, really inexpensive, very cute. Like it. I'll be doing more of Burlington hauls, but the only thing about Burlington, honey, you gotta come there really, really early because those lines be too packed. With that being said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.